We're here in Newton Stewart, where Storey Contracting are delivering the new Sparling combined cycle and footbridge, which is supported by Dumfries and Galloway Council, Transport Scotland and Sustrans.
This bridge is over 38 metres long, 4 metres high, weighing 40 tonnes. Due to the length and height of the bridge, it requires complex planning of the logistics of transporting it.
Storey Contracting are proud to have been chosen to deliver the new Sparling Bridge, helping to restore an essential crossing over the River Cree and reconnecting communities in Minnegaff and Newton Stewart separated by the flood. Our guiding motto is to do it right and to be a good neighbour, and the project team have ensured that local residents and key stakeholders have been involved in the scheme from day one.
Well, the Community Council's role has been huge in this project. When the floods hit at the end of 2015, the town was hit very, very badly, and one of the first things that happened following that flood was the old Sparling Bridge was removed. So it cut the two communities apart.
And we're absolutely delighted with the finished article here. It's just a first class story. Of course, we've got the contract to construct, and we can see such a great job it is here behind us today, so absolutely delighted with it.